Going to be installing the Weathertech rain guards for the Toyota 4Runner. Mine's the 2023 Lunar rock color. And anyway, so we are going to be getting those installed today. I'm going to be walking you guys through that process and what that looks like. And yeah, let's hop into it. So big shout out to my sister Heather, who bought me the rain guards for my birthday.
Check out my brand if you want to match your 4Runner. These come in every color 4Runner ever made.
Okay, so here we have the rain guards in the dark from Weathertech. We're going to be installing them today on the 4Runner.
Step 1. Clean the windows. Make sure you do it differently on each window and are as inconsistent as possible.
So we're going to be installing it in here inside of the track for the window, and then this part sticks out forward here. So according to instructions, you want it bowed out like this, and then you're going to work from this side in. You want to have it down lower, apparently. Alright, so here we have this visor. Now I was having it where it's catching on this rubber on the outside, so just be careful of that when you're installing yours. But let's check and make sure we did it properly, you know? Run the track up here. Yeah, looks like it fits perfectly, so we got one done. That's great. Nice.
Step 2. Go blind from staring into the sun. This step is essential. Lord, save my retinas.
Okay, we got our second track installed. Nice. Okay, now we gotta do the rear ones. Okay, so with the rear ones here, we have this tape that needs to be pulled off so that the adhesive is exposed, and then we can jam that up into the window. So let's do that part. See if I can do it one-handed. We'll find out. Nice. And then okay, there we have it. We got the rear one ready to go. This is it's definitely the wrong side. Okay. Around we go. Okay, so this is gonna kind of similarly jam up into there. I don't think I can hold the phone while I do it, So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to set you guys down for this part. So it was pretty easy to do. What I would say though is that you would want to roll your window down further than I had it, because I pushed this corner in first, and then this part I was gonna kind of bring it up and in, but instead I had to kind of flex it and bend it because I didn't have enough room to bring it down here, and so I had to flex it and bend it and then push it up in. Now, in order for the adhesive to cure really well, you'll want to roll these up and probably leave them up for a couple days, honestly, so that it has a better chance of curing and holding really well over time. Okay, and time to do the rear one, the other. The adhesive on here was trying to come up with that one, so we're going to try pulling from the other end. There we go. That's looking better. Okay. Yeah, you can see where it's trying to pull up and off here, so I'm just going to try to jam it back down onto itself. That seems a little bit like a concern though. I mean, like, look at this one. You can see because it's not that dark, but I'm sure once I jam it up in there and that pressure from the window, I'll probably fix it. Because this isn't the best either. I could be peeling some of the adhesive off by doing that. So we're just gonna shove it up in there and hope that it sticks. Okay. All right, let's take this back tape off. Great. That one's doing it too. Maybe not. Okay. Anyway, here we go. All right. I'll see if I can show this one to you guys. So we pushed this one in here, and then I went up into the corner, and see how it'd be nice if I could just come down and drag that one up in, but I can't because I did what I did. So hold on. So again, we pushed into this corner. I kind of bent it and then pushed it up in here. And then I'm gonna roll my windows up and leave them up for the next couple of days. Just the rear ones, because of the adhesive, you want to give it time to really cure and really attach, and that'll help the longevity of your rain guards with sticking on. These ones obviously didn't have adhesive, so you can use your front windows all you want. Something they say in the instructions is that you want to be really careful when rolling your windows up, so we're going to just kind of try to go nice and slow. Okay, and there we go. And then we'll just leave these rear ones up. And this is how she looks with the rain guards. You know, it's a little mod sometimes. And we're just gonna leave the rear ones up for the next couple of days.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Until next time.